everyone, it's snowing here and we're all outside because I wanted to see the snow, and it's super cold and it's actively snowing, and we are walking and enjoying this beautiful weather, and it's super slippery. Farhan and Aya, say hi.
Hello.
It's like magical. It's so beautiful and it's really cold. Yeah. See, it's like, and it's gonna snow until tomorrow.
Go
So
on the other side. Should go there.
yeah, we can. Hey. Yeah, we might go on the other side 'cause it's like cleaner, or maybe I don't know. We'll see. Like it's like really
Let's go
slippery.
from here.
Yeah, we're gonna cross the road. Not advised, but we're gonna do it. Yeah, we're freezing ourselves, and I was like, oh, snow देखनी है, snow देखनी है. तो इसलिए हम बाहर आए हुए हैं. Inaya, you wanna say hi? No, you don't wanna say hi? Okay, she's really pleasant. Oh my god, just look at that. It's like infinite amount of snow. So freaking stunning. Ooh. Oopsie daisy. Yeah, she doesn't like getting down. But yeah. Okay, she's getting crazy. I just wanted to show you guys all this beautiful. So yeah, we are good. She's cranky because she's like, oh, snow touched her. But alright, I guess that's it. So bye.